A very good morning, children. How are you all? I just wish you happy new year and enjoy this cold, chilly weather. Is it? Though as per enjoying the weather, you have to also focus on your studies. So let's begin our studies on computer. Is it? So we will start with where we had left before the new year. Is it? So children, take out your book, all of you take out your book and we will continue on the very same chapter, chapter number 8, that is internet surfing and searching. Okay, though we had the reading of this chapter, some explanatory part was given, so we will discuss and extend our explanation a little more ahead. Okay, so everybody okay, let's just give a little brush up to the far extent which we have read. So what we are discussing about various internet services. Let me discuss this briefly. I am writing here because we already had this discussion. Okay, so we get to know about different news and information, online shopping we can do from internet, and we can purchase anything. We can the many important the services, mails and chat. Is it actually internet when it started? The mail service which was offered was the mail and then the chatting, right? But after this, there are so many services like video conference we have told, online education. Okay, so with the help of internet, we can easily share our ideas and exchange. This is why we are communicating with you, isn't it? Just because of that, we are thankful to the internet, is it? Now, health and fitness, because we have become so much aware with our health and lifestyle. So many websites are dedicated which shows you what kind of diet you will follow, what things you have to eat, what exercises you have to do, isn't it? So these are the different services. Besides this, travel and tourism, you can book online tickets, you can purchase tickets if you are going traveling some faraway places, not just solid ticket, you can book your hotel tickets as well, hotel rooms as well, isn't it? So these are the various, I have just talked and discussed about few of the services which is offered by the internet, but the scope is much more beyond this, isn't it? See, now one more thing, what we call the online education. Online education is also known as distance learning. Okay, don't forget this. So actually we are sitting at a distance. Okay, you are sitting at home, we are here in school. So the distance is there, but this type of online education is known as distance learning, right? Or distance education. Don't forget this. Now, let's expand some more. We have talked about browser. Okay, what is browser? Browser is the application which helps you to roam or navigate the internet world. Okay, application. I am writing in short. Application to open internet and travel across the www and navigate through it. Okay, done. Now there are various browsers we have talked about like Google Chrome, okay, Mozilla Firefox. We have discussed all these things there. Okay, Internet Explorer, all this we have discussed. Now, if I say we have also discussed the basic window of Internet Explorer window. Okay, how we can go to the back button. There are certain icons there, symbols there which help you to navigate, like back button, then forward button. This we have already done. Okay, you can check this out more on page number 93. Okay, now we have also discussed how we can open any website in web browser. That is, we actually do the internet surfing. What we do, if you want to search for any particular information, so what we are doing, we are searching the information, we are surfing. But listen beta, there is a different thing between surfing and searching. The thing is that, I am just explaining you here also. You have heard about this word surfing from the seashores, where people go there and they take a disc, and they with the help of that they do the what? Seashore surfing, isn't it? This is where from the word has derived or taken out. So surfing is We are searching, but it is undirected searching, undirected search, because we are not aware that in which direction we are searching for or looking for. We are not in any guided way or planned way we are searching, or unplanned searching you can say. You have seen one thing, you have clicked, and if you are finding that particular thing interesting, you are going through following that link. So that will be only surfing. Okay, but if you are using, I am using this word browsing instead of searching. Browsing means directed or any planned searching. Like suppose ma'am has told you to find reports, find any project on solar system. Okay, so you are only particularly looking and searching for those words, those things that you actually need for. So that thing is known as browsing. Am I clear? Okay. Now, see beta, how can we search on the internet? It's very easy. Simply just open up the browser, open up, and you have already know that at the top what we have the address bar here and we have the search bar here. Okay, this is the address bar and this is the search bar or search box you can say. So what we do here, we write the address or URL. What we write? URL. What is URL? URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Just like we have our home addresses, so every web page has its own address. Okay. So what we do, we simply go and type the URL. That is the address of the web page. Suppose if you want to find if you want to open google.com, so what we'll write here the URL www.google.com. So this will open up the page of Google. Okay. So this way you can put in any website and you can find the page. You can search on. Okay. So but what I am going to say, what I am going to share here is certain basic search tips. Okay, so you are searching, but if you follow these tips, that will be much more easier for you to type a particular thing. Sometimes you say, ma'am, we have tried, but we couldn't search anything. But if you search, if you filter it out in a better way, then your search result will be much better, right? Suppose whatever, if you can check this out on page number 95. Just follow this and have a deep reading of this, then you will be very clearly aware about this tips. Okay, see, first is a quotation mark. Suppose if you want to look for anything, okay, so you can directly put them here in quotation marks like solar system. So you can put on this quotation mark for a better search result. Though this will be eliminated, but particularly the search engine will look for this particular keywords. Okay. Now second is thing, if you write up like this, that we are going like this. So the web browser or the search engine eliminates this extra things. Okay, so it will only look for we are going and look for it. Okay. Now, if you want to exclude certain, exclude means no, we don't want to look for this. We want to look for a solar system, but we want to exclude the outer planets. Okay. Then only with write like the solar system minus. You can eliminate those things and you can write like outer planets. So this will exclude. Exclude means remove. It will not include this outer planet. Am I clear? Now, if you want to combine, there are two methods to combine. One is the OR method, another is AND method. If you write OR, it means you are giving choice. If you look for cat or dog or wolf, so it bring out the pictures or search result related to either cat, it can be cat, it can be dog, or it can be wolf. All the results will come up. But if you write this with AND, okay, like cat and dog, okay, it means only this has to be come out. Only cat and dog and nothing else will come. Okay, only those things will give the search results where cat and dog are present together only. Those pictures, those words will be come. Okay, and there are certain things like parenthesis. Okay, parenthesis means if you give the search result like this, solar system minus outer planets, then inside this, right, include the ring planets. So it will certainly look for the parenthesis first. The ring planets will be taken care that this will not be included. Okay, since I have used here minus symbol, it means this part will be excluded. So first this will be executed, then the search result will be given for the solar system. So these are the basic search tips that we have discussed. Okay, right now. Start. Okay, children, now take out page number 96. Okay, so we will discuss some other things what we can search for. Okay, so this chapter is basically about surfing and searching that you can really know from the chapter name. Okay, now what we will do, we will search using the google.com, our very familiar search engine, isn't it? Check out this on page number 96. Okay, this is the very famous search engine. Okay, we simply call it Google. Sometimes we don't say let's Google it. Means it has got a brand name that we directly call it Google it. Okay, instead of calling searching on Google. Okay, so very famous search engine is only Google, not Google Chrome. Only Google is the search engine, right? So what is the URL of this Google? This is www.google.com. Okay. Once you open the browser, you type this address, you will find the page like this, and you always know that the Google words comes like this with the search bar and the hand icon here. Is it? So you can check this out, and whatever topic you want to look for, okay, that you can find out. Suppose we want to look for what? Suppose we want to make we want to look for Christmas. Okay, you have just written here and click on this search option. What you will get here? You will get a list of links, list of web pages here, written like Christmas Eve and something little like this with the underline. There are many search results will come, Christmas party or Christmas designs. So this kind of thing will come up. These are the different links. Okay. If you click on particular link, okay, this will again open up any other page, other web page that will show the information, or you can open this in another tab or in another window if you right click on it. What you will do if you right click on it? Am I clear? Okay, so that will be open in new window if you right click on this any link. Now we have searched only text based information. Now how will you search the videos? It is nothing different than this. The result will be like this, but you have seen once we search there are options present called all, then there are images, then web, and there is option called videos. If the search result is like this, just simply click on this videos. Okay, what I've written here in short, videos. Click on this result will come in the form of videos. It will display you all the videos here. Okay, like this. Am I clear? So this is what we will wind up our video. Okay, but in the next video we will try to complete this chapter and we'll discuss the exercises as well. Okay, so enjoy your day and keep learning. Don't miss out this. Okay, thank you so much. Wait children, where are you going without taking the homework? Okay, so let's just take the homework, then you can see off to me. Okay, so today's homework is that whatever we have discussed in the class today, you will learn and prepare till during the class. Okay? So this is your homework. Okay? Keep learning and prepare your lesson. Okay? Thank you so much.